Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here an upgrade of the popular S8 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we have here is the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so we'll see if what are the changes on this wearable, if what are the upgrades, whether the design is still the same, the size, as well as the features. So we will check on that on our unboxing of the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. So we're going to check on the design as well as the specs. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, so let's get ready and check the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. And as you can see here, it has a simple packaging, almost similar to the S8 Ultra. So we have here the S8, okay, Ultra smartwatch. You can see here, okay, and this is the S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Okay, so let's check here on the back. We have S8 Ultra space aluminum case, okay, wireless charging, and no details. That's it. Okay, so let's check. We do have an orange strap, okay, ocean strap. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so this is the wireless charging. This is the strap with stainless steel buckle here, or locked. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, let me move it. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So let's check if we do have a user manual here. Let's put it back. We have some space to check, to move. Okay, so it is available in English and Chinese. Okay, so for the support app, it is still using the HRY Fine application similar to the S8 Ultra, as you can see here. Okay, so we have the user manual and the QR code here. So we have some instructions, very small instructions. It is very impossible to read. Okay, anyways, we'll just put it here. And we have the smartwatch. So let's try to remove the protective covering here. So we have the titanium color. Okay, are we correct? So we have here space, okay, space aluminum case. Okay, so far it looks okay, it looks nice. We have here the S8 Ultra, as you can see. It's pretty similar. Okay, seems like nothing has changed. Okay, the same body frame here. The back, so similar in appearance also. Okay, this one, it has a, okay, watch strap lock drawing here, or graphics. This one don't have. Okay, doesn't have any watch strap lock drawing here. Okay, for the weight, let's check. Okay, let's check for the weight. 00, and we have 38. Okay, with the strap, it's around, it's at 53.17. Okay, we have here the S8 Ultra. Let's check. Okay, just a minor. minor difference. Okay, for the dimension, okay, so let's check. So for the thickness, so it's around 9. Okay, so let's check it here. I don't believe that this is a 49 millimeter. It's still in a 45 millimeter range. Okay, and on the side here, we have, as you can see here, 40 by, okay, let's make it, it's around 42 by 40 millimeter. Okay, for the screen display here, so it's 40, around 40 something. Okay, if we are going to check on the edge to edge here, so it's around 45, as you can see here. Okay, so it's not 49 millimeter. Okay, it's 45 millimeter. Okay, for the body frame, again, it is around 40, and again 40 by 35, I think, as you can see here. Okay, with a 9.0 millimeter. Okay, not including the sensor here. Okay, so let me show it to you. Okay, so that's it for the dimension of the smartwatch. Okay, so something is wrong with the orange button here. Okay, it's not really firmly attached, as you can see. Okay, so what do you expect with a very cheap, okay, smartwatch, okay, when it comes to price? But we'll see the features. So this is the crown button here, the return button. Okay, let's see, let's attach this strap here and see the overall look of the smartwatch. Okay, another one. So as you can see here, the look of the wearable. Okay, it's a decent looking smartwatch here, clone smartwatch. Okay, for the strap. Okay, so it's nice, it's okay. Just have an issue here with the orange button. It's not firmly, okay, flat, as you can see here. Okay, but I guess it's still durable here, cannot be removed. Okay, for the speaker, the mic, the button here. Okay, for the specs, you check it here. Okay, dimension. Okay, and the sensor, also check it here. Okay, so let's see if we still have power left in here. Let's have a preview of the screen display. Yes, okay, so we still have some juice left. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's check the border, black border. How many watch face do we have? Oh, very limited here. Okay, so we have a black border here. On the side, we do have a split screen. Okay, on top, quick settings. On the bottom part, okay, the menus. Okay, as you can see, seems like we have a lot of options here for the wearable. Okay, so far it looks nice, it looks decent. Okay, the issue here is the orange button here, so let's see. Okay, so this is the, what's this? Okay, return button. This one, the menu. Okay, you can also access the menu on the bottom part. Okay, let's check the orange button here. What's the function of this one? Okay, the sports function. Okay, so we have several sports function. Okay, if press simultaneously the orange button, okay, so that is shut down. Long press, let's see. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if this is the, okay, long press for this one and it is shut down. How about this one? Nothing is happening. Let's check. Nothing else. Let's set only. Long press for this one and we do have the power off. Okay, this one is for the sports. Okay, this is the home button, I think, or the menu button. Okay, so that's it for our S8 Ultra Plus smartwatch. Check the specs here for the screen display. Okay, again, the contents are our smartwatch here, the S8 Ultra. Okay, the wireless charging, and of course our user manual. Okay, so it is an upgrade of the S8 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and of course we'll try to answer your queries. Bye.